Good morning, everyone. Welcome to my kitchen. I am so happy to have you join me today as we are going to be doing some cooking. I am sure that many of you have heard of the meal kit and food delivery companies such as Home Chef. I know there are many out there. These are companies that ship to you, or you can subscribe to them to receive pre-portioned ingredients and recipes. These are deliveries right to your door so that you can prepare your meals right in the privacy of your own kitchen. Home Chef reached out to me to see if I would be interested in testing out some of their meal kits and sharing them with you guys, my viewers. So of course, because I love to cook, I love to be in my kitchen, and I was impressed with all of the meal choices that they offered, especially because I found very healthy, nutritionally dense options, which is what I prefer. I jumped on the bandwagon. Let me share with you that I really cannot compare Home Chef to other meal kit and food delivery companies, as this is my first time actually testing out one of these. I am familiar with different companies, as my oldest daughter Kirsten and my third daughter McKenna have both tried these before with different companies. So I am familiar with them. I have seen some of the work that they have done in their own kitchen with these pre-portioned kits and recipes, but this is my first trying it out. Before we get rolling too much on Home Chef, I do want to share with you, if you go to my YouTube drop-down box as well as the corresponding blog post, you can receive $30 off your first order with Home Chef by using my special code. So make sure you check that out. When I received my delivery with my box from Home Chef, I was very pleased with how they packaged. Let's take a look at the unboxing. You can imagine how excited I was when I saw that they offered a recipe with salmon. As if you follow me, you know I eat salmon pretty much every single day, so I thought it was perfect to put my salmon up against the test with theirs. I like to jazz up my food a little bit and sometimes try something different, so I jumped on that one. I also jumped on a recipe that included chicken. So as you can see, these are how they came packaged. As you could see in the unboxing, you will also receive a package like this. This is all of your ingredients to go with your protein source. The recipe is right on the side here with a little sticker, and everything is packaged individually inside this Ziploc and sealed bag. Here is a look at the other one. This one is the chicken fajita stuffed peppers. You can see I have the full line. You can see all of the ingredients there, including the cheese. We also even have the cilantro. You will also receive this little binder in your box, and what I love about this is it has all of your different instructions, but if you click that top link in the drop-down box below, you can get to the Home Chef website right there. You can choose your meal options right there, but this gives you all sorts of different information that you are going to want to resource. You will also receive the recipe cards for the meals that you are going to be making. As you can see, there's hole punches in these so that you can conveniently store them right in your binder. That way, if you want to make some of these recipes on your own at a different date, you would be able to make them. Home Chef takes the stress out of cooking. They make the preparation easy for you. This is going to save you time. Meal is prepared. This is the salmon with romesco cream and sweet potato hash. And I didn't even use all of the sweet potatoes. This is a serving for two. My husband and I will share this platter. As you can see, we have a hefty portion of the sweet potato hash left over, which the kids can snack on, or I will divide this up for my meals for tomorrow. What is beautiful is you can select whatever food option you would like. You can go vegetarian, you can do chicken, you can do fish, you can do pork. You tailor this to how many people you would like to serve. I chose the 2-person serving, but you can do 4 and you can even do more than that. Oh my my folks, check out these chicken fajita stuffed peppers with pico de gallo and sour cream. Amazing, beautiful presentation. I so enjoyed making this recipe because the aroma in the house was incredible. I cannot wait to indulge on one of these beauties. I just need a margarita now. These took a little bit longer to make as far as a recipe than the salmon did. And the reason I am sharing that with you is you do have more vegetables to chop up. So something to pay attention to, but so much more convenient than having to go to the store. Everything being prepped and prepared and packaged up for you to save you time. Well, there you have it. 2 wonderful, delicious, healthy, and nutritious meals brought to you from my kitchen with some assistance from Home Chef. Thank you, Home Chef, for helping me out. What I love about a service like this is it's a no-brainer. It saves you time. We don't have all the extra time in the world. We're burning the candle at both ends. Anytime that we can get some help from an outside source at an affordable price, we want to jump on it. Thank you so much for joining me, and thank you to Home Chef. Don't forget to click in the top link down below to get to their website to choose what your meal options are. Also, don't forget that you can get $30 off by using my special code, and that is off your first order with Home Chef. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know what you think once you try Home Chef out. Comment section down below. Let me know if you've tried any other meal service companies and what your thoughts are on the ones that you have tested and tried. We love to open this dialogue and we love to learn and grow from one another. Thank you for joining me, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.